guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain. So guys, I hope you all are fine. And first of all, wish you a very happy new year. May this 2021 will be amazing for you. May God bless you and stay blessed. So guys, this video is super demanding and requested from my subscriber only. So yeah, here is the video for you. So basically in this video, what I'm going to tell you is this. That what is the current situation of Germany, what is the procedure for job seeker visa in 2021. So yeah, we will be discussing about Germany situation 2021, about Germany job seeker visa, about jobs in India for German field, and many much more. So are you guys excited? And secondly, I would like to say that I'm super sorry that yesterday I was just uploading the video, but due to some problem in video I couldn't, so I'm super sorry. So today I'm gonna upload this video, so you will be watching at 4 p.m. So yeah, let's continue the video. And if you are new on my channel, then please, I am Nidhi Jain and I do German teaching videos here. I put all the stuff regarding German news, German updates, Germany jobs, job seeker visa, student visa, everything, German language courses, teacher training programs, and many much more things. So yeah, please do subscribe. And I'm having one more channel, it's Nidhi here, that is my personal vlogging channel. So yeah, you can subscribe that too. Okay, now let's get started. So basically guys, I would like to tell you that first of all, Germany situation. So what is the German situation right now? In Germany from November 2020, lockdown is there. Now, what is the lockdown measures? They are taking each and every measures which they can. So all the coffee shops, all the shopping centers, everywhere sittings have been removed. Nobody can sit there. In fact, the benches which are outside the areas, like the normal benches, that is also removed just to take more precautions because the cases was increasing at the next level in Germany. So yeah, this is the first thing which they are doing. Secondly, I would like to tell you that the German embassy is not opening right now the job seekers visa, and that is unpredictable because we don't know then when the third wave will be coming and how it will be. Maybe the vaccine will work which is coming. So yeah, let's hope for the best that this vaccine will work and everything will get settled. So I would like to suggest you that please don't think for job seeker visa at least till July or August, because till then maybe the situation will be in control. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Now, maybe you have heard or not, let me tell you, for the IT sectors, for the nurses and for the doctors, the job seeker visa are there still. Now, how it is possible if German embassy is closed? How it is possible if they are not giving you the visa? Let me tell you, this is possible just because if you have the job offer, because Germany is hiring so much, hiring is on, the market rate is good, not very bad. Like in COVID, they have just reached at the position that yes, they are hiring. So hiring is on in Germany, so you don't have to worry. There is a lot of opportunity which is there for you. So please, if you are new in German field and you're planning for Germany, then yes, keep on planning, because till July, August, maybe the jobs will be in the high priority for you all. So yeah, stay excited and do it something. Now let me tell you, if I talk about what is the procedure for job offer, to get the job offer in Germany, there are the online sites. So sit at your home, just sit at your home, stay calm and find the jobs. So I will be putting in the description some links where you can find German jobs, the German openings, and that sites are totally free. So don't take panic or don't take tension. So where there you can just sit and find your jobs, and once you find your job, dream job, then what you have to do is you have to apply for that. But make sure when you're applying for Germany, the Germany CV should be proper. It should be not in very detailed. I have made a detailed video on that how you can make your Germany CV. If you want my help, then you can, after making, you can send me your CV on germangyan04@gmail.com. I will ensure that my team will reply you as soon as possible, because we receive so many mails and we really don't get a time to reply to everyone. So I'm super sorry, but I will try my best. So what we will be doing is we will be giving you we will ensure that okay, your CV is right and now you can apply for that. Because once your CV is rejected, then your priority for that company will be decreased and decreased and decreased. So yeah, I don't want that. So make sure your CV will be in proper pattern, proper detailed. And next, make sure that you are not putting so much detail, just pointers and pointers and pointers. Do not mention anything fake in that. If they caught you, because they normally ask each and everything which you are mentioning. So the Germany people are not like Indians that okay, you have done this very good, you have done this very good. But in Germany, they are very strict in the particular things. If you have written this, then you have to show. So make sure you are writing each and everything correct. You must have all the degrees, all the certificates which you are showing in your this CV. So make sure your CV should be proper. Once you are applying for Germany jobs, you must have patience, because once they take time to revert you back, because they have some procedure which they follow. So don't get panic or disappointed if the reply comes little late. Maybe after 1 month, maybe after 15 days, maybe after 20, maybe after 2 months you will get. So stay calm and have patience. And one more thing, once you have the job offer, you can easily apply for job seeker visa and you will get job seeker visa of minimum 1 year. So yeah, stay happy and stay blessed. You will get it. All the very best. Alles Gute. Five most priority job in Germany right now in 2021 is IT field. In IT, we are having 59 different fields. So yeah, there is so much opportunity in IT field. So definitely, if you are looking for that, go for it. Because if you get job seeker visa, then at this time also you can go and have your job in Germany. Secondly, the teacher's priority in Germany is super duper high. If you are teacher or you are looking for the teacher, then you must have the experience of more than 3 years and you must have a good study background and everything. Then absolutely you will get the job seeker visa, because once you get the offer from Germany sitting at your home, you are good to go. Next, third is basically nurses and doctor opportunity is at the next level. They are going absolutely in this COVID period also. So yeah, if you are a nurse or you are a doctor, then yes, you can apply for job seeker visa, because you have that offer, you have that capability to do it. Just get job offer from sitting at home and then you can apply for job seeker visa. If you don't have job offer, then you cannot apply for that. So yeah, keep it in your mind. Okay, so fourth one is a translator job. Yes, in Germany, translator jobs are at the next level. They are looking for so many translators, just because so many people are looking forward, so many different companies are looking forward to it. So yes, if you are a translator or if you are planning to become a translator, then yes, absolutely go for it. Minimum level for being translator is B2 level. So yes, definitely you can go for it. Make sure your speaking skills and writing skills are amazing. Okay, last but not the least, fifth one is basically your sales executive, sales representative. Now for sales, the hiring is on. You can definitely apply for job offers. There are so many different companies offer, and the package is unbelievable. So yes, you must have experience of 2+ years and you can go for it. If you need my help, then yes, you are having my Gmail ID, go for it and I will definitely help you. Okay, now let me tell you jobs about India. Now in India, job openings are super high. If you talk about Gurgaon, if you talk about Delhi, Noida, Pune, Bangalore, Bombay, in these cities, the job opportunity is super high for you all. So yeah, make sure your German should be proper. You must have the at least B1 certificate, and for some field they are looking for B2. B2 is in more priority nowadays, just because for B1 there are so many people who have done. So yeah, B2 is more priority. B2 is having more priority nowadays. So yeah, make sure that you are having a good speaking skills, because speaking skills and the writing skills are the main what they check. So make sure you are up to the grade and definitely you can join it. If you need my help, then and please do send me your CV if you are looking for this job seeker visa, my team will reply you if your CV match to our priority, to the company priority. And one more thing, German Gyan students who are there with me, they all know that yes, German Gyan helps you for job seeker visa. The priority are my German Gyan students who have enrolled with us, and once the vacancies are still left with all the completion, then I opt for my subscribers, for all my GG families. So make sure that you must have patience, and if we will reply if your CV get matched. So yeah, this was the Germany situation. So whosoever is living in Germany and whosoever is planning to Germany, I think so now the things are clear to you. And the people who want to go for job seeker visa in Germany, I think so the point is clear to you also. And for the India people who want to do job in India itself, then yes, job hiring is on, go for it. So yeah, this was the video for today. I hope you liked it, and may this video will help you. So stay tuned, and on Tuesday I'm coming live with all your questions at 2 p.m. So stay tuned. See you and keep learning German with German Gyan. Cheers!